In this video, we're going to talk about setting up a custom template. So let's go to Layout, and then up here, pick New Template. Now you see that Blogger comes with several templates here that you can use, but you don't have to use the ones that are here. A lot of people do because it's easy, or they don't know that you can use other templates. Now what I suggest you do is just pick one in here that you know you're never going to use, because we're going to overwrite the code. Okay, so let's just pick this one right now, and let's save the template. Okay, now it's time to go and search for a template to use. So we'll go over to Google, and then you just do a search. So we can search for free Blogger template or free classic car Blogger template. Use your imagination here to try and narrow down the type of template that's going to come up in the search. I'm just going to start with a simple search of free Blogger templates. Okay, we'll do search. Now once you're in here, you'll get a number of sites, so you can just look around in these if you like and see if you find something that suits what you're looking for. Now if not, you can do a more specific search that has your particular niche in it. So my niche is classic cars, so I would go ahead and I would do a search on car Blogger themes, or maybe just on classic cars. Let's say free car. Okay, let's click on this and see what's in here. You'll see that they have some listed down the side here. Okay, if you find one you think you might like, you can click on Sample on this site, and it shows you what the blog's going to look like. And then you can just keep on searching until you find one that you like. Okay, so I've decided I'm going to use this one called Coyote Chase. If we have a look at it, here it is. Now, if you know anything about classic cars, you might know that there was a Roadrunner that was popular in the 70s. That's why I've decided I'm going to use this one. Of course, you can just use any generic design if you want. Okay, and then what we can do, go to more details, and then what we'll do is we'll grab the code here. Now this is an XML type template, and depending on the site, you may not always get them like this. You may have to download the file to get the code. Okay, so what we want to do here is do a select all, and then we want to do a copy. And then what we'll do is we'll open up a notepad session, we'll paste the code in here, and then we can save this as Roadrunner. I'm just going to reduce it for now, and I'm going to show you a different way that you might get your themes. Okay, let's just go to, say, 3-column, and let's find one that is not an XML theme here. Okay, for instance, this one, it's not an XML template. All it means is that there's going to be traditional HTML type code in here. So if we want to use this one, we would just copy this code. Now, like I said, some sites are going to require that you download a file and then unzip it, and inside there will be the code that you need to use. Alright, so now once we have the code, we need to go back to our template here. Then what we'll do is we'll edit the HTML, and what we should do here, let's do a select all and a copy, and then again open Notepad, paste it in here, and then save this as old theme or whatever you want here. Just in case we need to put it back. Okay, and then we can do away with that. Okay, now what we do is we go get our code that we just copied, and again we do a select all, copy, and we can delete all this code out of here. Let's paste this in. Let's do a preview. Okay, there you go. So it picked up our theme. So let's save the template. And it's just telling us here on this warning that the template we're using doesn't include followers on here, which is one of the functions that is fairly new with Blogger. So what we'll do, we'll just keep the widgets. Okay, now to download a template, you can just click there. We've already got that saved, but you can download a template there, and then you can bring the code up from a text file on your hard drive here. Okay, but it was just as easy to just copy the code into there. Okay, so now let's just go to view the blog. And here it is. Of course, we have no content on it, so it looks a little bit funny at the moment. But that is just a normal part of blogging. You would go now and you'd put your content on here. Let's go to posting. And you could do a new post. You can also do pages. If you haven't been to Blogger for a while, they now have pages. And these are just standalone pages that are not in the normal blogosphere. It's just sort of like what WordPress does with pages. Okay, so you can create a new page here, or you can create a post. I'm just going to go with a post. Okay, so there we go. We'll just publish this. Now let's have a look at our blog. And there it is there. Okay, so that's how easy it is to use a custom theme on your Blogger blog. In the next video, I'm going to show you how you can use custom widgets on your new Blogger blog.